So in this video, I am going to explain about for our Karnataka. So you know that Karnataka is our state and Kannada is our language. It is important to know about the natural resources, agriculture, industries, and other aspects of our land. So here in our Karnataka, we can see that 4 administrative divisions of Karnataka. So here in this video we are going to study about further 4 administrative divisions of Karnataka. So before that, can you tell me in Karnataka how many districts are there at present? At present, how many districts are there in our Karnataka? Yes, there are for that 30 districts. 30 districts. Yeah. So here for every divisions, there are for the 4 divisions. For every divisions, we can see that for districts. Okay, they consider that 9 districts for some divisions. Some districts we can see that for the 8 districts, some divisions and 6 districts for like that. So we can see that. Okay, one by one. The first one is that Bengaluru division. Then second one, in Bengaluru division we can see that for 9 districts. Then Mysuru divisions. In Mysuru divisions we can see that 8 districts. And third one, Belagavi divisions. So here we can see the first 7 districts. And Kalburgi division. So here we can see for that 6 districts. So tell me, what is the meaning of the administrative divisions of Karnataka? Yeah. So I already told about that our land is Karnataka. Our state has a history of 2000 years. Many parts of our state have prehistoric Stone Age site. So historians have identified such cities in that various part of the state. Then and each district is headed by the deputy commissioner and each division is headed by the divisional commissioner. Okay, in this video you are going to learn about for that each district wise. The first one is Bengaluru division. In Bengaluru division is that Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is the one of the administrative division of Karnataka. There are 9 districts in Bengaluru divisions. The first one, Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Kolar, Chikbalapura, Ramnagara, Tumkuru, Chitradurga and Shivamogga. This division is the southern part of Karnataka. Then I will explain a little bit about history about for Bengaluru. Bengaluru has the history as richest and rich as Karnataka. The earliest rulers were from the Ganga dynasty. Kulalapura was their capital, but at present we can see the for Kolar, that is the capital for that Ganga dynasty. After the decline of Gangas, the area came under the rule of Cholas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara kings and Marathas, Mysuru kings and Bijapura Adil Shahi. Then the second division is Mysuru division. Mysuru is another administrative division of our state. Mysuru was the capital of Wadayar kings. There are 8 districts: Mysore, Mandya, Hassan, Chikbalapura, Chamarajnagara, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu. The administrative center is Mysore. Many of the rich districts of Karnataka are in this division. Okay, then this division is famous for rivers, mountains, forest, wild animals, then coffee plant and port. So here, so the history of Mysuru division. The history of Mysuru begins with the rule. Ganga's rule. Talakadu was the capital of Gangas. Later, Mysuru came under the rule of Cholas, Vaishalas and Vijayanagara kings. And third one, Kalburgi division. Kalburgi division has 6 districts. They are Kalburgi, Bidar, Ballari, Raichur, Kopla and Yadagiri. Then when we are going to study the history, every district of this division has rich ancient history. Prehistoric can be seen here. It begins of the historical period. This area was under the rule of Mauryas. The last division is Belagavi divisions. The 4 districts of these divisions were in Bombay regions. So before that, here we can see that for in these divisions we can see the first 7 districts. They are Belagavi, Dharwad, Haveri, Gadag, Vijayapura, Bagalkote and Uttara Kannada. Then history. This area was ruled by Mauryas and Satavaganas. Banavasi of this division was the capital of Kadambas. Badami the capital of Chalukyas, is in this division. The world famous temples also we can see that in these divisions, that is the Pattadakallu, Badami and Aivale. See, again I will list out the divisions. There are for the 4 divisions in Karnataka. First one, Bengaluru division, Mysuru division. The third one, what is the third one? Third one is that Kalburgi division and Belagavi divisions. The first one is, what is that? Bengaluru divisions. In Bengaluru division, there are for 9 districts. 9 districts. First one, Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural. Third one, Kolar. Fourth one, Chikbalapura. Fifth one, Ramanagara. Sixth one, Tumkuru. Eighth one, Chitradurga, and ninth one, Shivamogga. This is that in these districts came under the Bengaluru divisions. Then the next one, the second division is that Mysuru division. In Mysuru division, there are 8 districts. First one Mysuru, second one Mandya, third one Hassan, fourth one Chamarajnagara, fifth one Chikmagaluru, sixth one Udupi, seventh one Dakshina Kannada, and last one Kodagu. In these districts came under the Mysuru divisions. Then the third one, Kalburgi divisions. Here in these Kalburgi divisions we can see that for 6 districts. The first one Kalburgi, second one Bidar, third one Ballari, fourth one Raichuru, fifth one Kopla, and last one Yadagiri. All these districts came under the Kalburgi division. Last one, 4th division, Belagavi division. Here in these divisions as 7 districts. First one Belagavi, second one Dharwad, third one Haveri, fourth one Gadag, fifth one Vijayapura, sixth one Bagalkote, and last one Uttara Kannada. Remember these districts and remember that divisions names. So in this video I am going to explain about for our Karnataka. So you know that Karnataka is our state